Depression can make you feel alone, helpless, and powerless. But as a woman of faith, you have a powerful tool at your disposal, the Word of God. In Psalm 91, we can find 7 powerful affirmations that can help lift your spirit and guide you out of the darkness. Affirmation number 1. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. As a woman of faith, you can find refuge in the presence of God. His love and protection will surround you like a shield. Affirmation number 2. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him will I trust. Trusting in God can give you the strength and courage to face your fears and overcome your struggles. Bible affirmation number 3. Surely He shall deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence. God is a deliverer, and He can rescue you from any situation that threatens to keep you down. Bible affirmation number 4. He shall cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you shall take refuge. His truth shall be your shield and buckler. God's truth can provide you with a firm foundation and a solid sense of purpose. Affirmation number 5. You shall not be afraid of the terror by night, nor of the arrow that flieth by day. Fear can be a powerful force, but it doesn't have to control you. God can help you find peace and security in the midst of chaos. Affirmation number 6. Because He has set His love upon me, therefore I will deliver Him. I will set Him on high, because He has known my name. When you seek God with all your heart, you can experience His love and grace in a powerful way. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. God is always with you, and He will never leave you nor forsake you. Depression can make you feel like you're all alone. But with these 7 powerful affirmations from Psalm 91, you can find hope, strength, and the assurance that you are never truly alone. So hold on to these words and let them guide you out of the darkness and into the light.